everybody, I hope you are doing great, and I hope you're enjoying this beautiful weather that we have been blessed with. Make sure you get outside and enjoy some sunshine. I decided to go ahead and send you another fun art video to do because I know that you have had a lot of time on your hands, so go ahead and stay tuned. I am missing you, and I wanted to share this with you so that we could have some fun together. So stay tuned, and here's another little art drawing we can do. All right, let's get ready to draw our cupcake. First, I want you to notice that the paper needs to be horizontal or long ways. And then we will be ready to start by drawing the bottom of our cupcake. So what you do is you just draw a straight line at the bottom, wherever you want, in the center, wherever you want your cupcake to be. Then you need to draw two lines going up slightly at an angle. So I'm going to start at one end of my line and go up. And then I'm going to draw another one on the other side. So now I have the two sides of my cupcake. Then I'm going to draw a zigzag line across to connect those two. So follow along and draw that zigzag line all the way to the other point. Now you have the bottom of your cupcake. We are going to continue by drawing the cake part of the cupcake. So you're just going to make a little arc, kind of like a small rainbow curve across the top from one side to the other. There's the cake. Then we're going to go ahead and draw the frosting on top. So we're going to do some little kind of like curved or cloud lines, almost like drawing the number 3 backwards. So I'm going to do 3 of those lines. Then I'm going to add a little swirl on top. So I'm going to continue that top line and kind of make it look like a wave. So kind of curve it up to a point. Then I'm going to follow that line down to continue my little swirl. It almost looks like the swirl of an ice cream cone. And then I'm going to make some more of those curved lines, just like I did on the other side. This time it does make the number 3, and then you want to connect those together. So I'm going to draw a line across connecting my little swirls of icing so they're going all the way up. After that, you're going to want to draw the lines on the cupcake paper. So you're just going to follow down where each point is all the way to the bottom. So start at the point and bring it all the way down. So you just want to use the points that are pointing down. You don't want to draw it from the points that are up. So if you notice, I'm only drawing the lines from the points that were going down. All right, next we need to draw our table so our cupcake isn't floating in the air. So you want to start about halfway on your cupcake and draw that line to each side. So I did one side, and I kind of want the line to be about the same place. So you kind of follow that line across, but don't draw on top of your cupcake, and draw the other side of that line. Then you can go ahead and add some little creative things to your cupcake. What would you want on your cupcake? So maybe a cherry on top. Maybe you want to add some sprinkles. So you think about a way that you can make your cupcake unique, or think about what flavor you would want your cupcake to be. And you can go use your crayons or your color pencils or your markers and color it in. All right, I went ahead and I added some color to my cupcake. So I used markers to outline and to add my little details here. And I even traced the cupcake paper with some marker, and then I colored in with some colored pencil and some crayon. Then I traced over my sprinkles that I had made with some marker. And then I used some watercolor for my background, and I mixed some blue and green together. So I hope that you have a good time and you have fun creating your cupcake.